So second question, they have given like you have to find tan p minus cot r. They have given the figure which is PQ is 12, PR is 13. You need to find QR, right? You know the Pythagoras theorem. First step is to find all sides of the values in the right angle triangle. So I am taking PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square, which is Pythagoras theorem. So 13 square is PR. PQ is 12 square. So just calculate. I'm ending up with 25. So QR will be 5, right? So QR value will be 5 centimeter. You need to find tan P and cot R. For tan P, place the theta in the P. So tan P is what? If theta is placed here, opposite by adjacent. Opposite to P will be QR, right? QR is 5 centimeter. Adjacent is 12. So 5 by 12 is the tan P. For finding cot R, you need to place the theta in the place of R, right? So cot R formula is adjacent by opposite. So adjacent is QR. QR is 5. Opposite to R is 12 centimeters. So that is also 5 by 12. So you end up with 5 by 12 and 5 by 12. You need to find tan P minus cot R. If you subtract, I am getting the value of 0. Okay. So let's begin with the third question. They have given if sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. You need to calculate the cos A and tan A. So place the theta in the place of A. Okay. They have given sin is 3 by 4. So can you see in the previous question, they used to give AB as 12, BC as 16 like that directly. But if the value is given in the form of fraction, okay, given in the form of fraction, sine is 3 by 4. What is sine formula? Opposite by hypotenuse, no? So a sine A is, where is sine A? This is the place A, right? So opposite side of A is 3k. So let us write first what is given. Sine A equal to 3 by 4. Sine A formula is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is BC. For A's opposite will be BC. Hypotenuse is AC. So BC by AC is 3 by 4. But you cannot directly say this is BC's value will be 3, AC's value will be 4. We cannot say, right? Maybe it is a multiple of 2 on both the sides or multiple of 3. We cannot say. So if the values comes in the form of fraction or ratio, no, we used to take it as a 3k 4k like that, right? So let us take BC as 3k and AC as 4k, where k is the common integer for both the values. Okay, k is a positive integer, common integer. Okay, so let us take BC as 3k and AC as 4k in the form of, well, like where k is the form of positive integer, and you need to find the other value AB, right? So just use the Pythagoras theorem. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. I'm just substituting. The AC is 4k square, BC is 3k square. So 16k square equal to AB square plus 9k square. Just send this 9k square this side, you get 7k square. If we take the square root, no, so k square alone you can take the, like, square and root will get cancelled, but root 7 we cannot do anything. So write root 7 as it is, and k you can take from the square root. Since it is k square, square and root will get cancelled. So AB value will be root 7k. So always remember, when the values are given in the form of ratio, that is sine ratio is 3 by 4, just apply it in the sine formula. Opposite by hypotenuse value will be 3 by 4, but take this value as 3k 4k like that and find out the AB value. Now you need to find the cos A tan A. We got AB as root 7k, right? Cos A means adjacent by hypotenuse, right? Adjacent side is AB and hypotenuse side is 4k, right? So you can just write root 7k by 4k, which is root 7 by 4. So if you do tan A's opposite side will be 3k, adjacent side will be root 7k. So k will get cancelled, 3 by root 7. Okay, so that's all. So next question is also same type. They have given 15 cot A is equal to 8, right? So just keep the cot A as it is and send this 15, that's it. Since it is in multiplication, it goes as a division, right? Cot A equal to 8 by 15. Now draw the diagram. So ABC, since you have A, right, you need to find sin A cos A. Place the theta in the A. And what is cot A's formula? Adjacent by opposite side, right? A's adjacent side is AB. A's opposite side is BC. So AB by BC is 8 by 15. So take AB is equal to 8k and BC equal to 15k. Now use the Pythagoras theorem to find the hypotenuse side. Just do it by yourself. If you find the next side using Pythagoras theorem, you'll end up with the 17k value. Okay, I'm going to get AC value as 17k. Now if I want you to find the sine A, A's opposite side is 15, and this side we just now got 17k. So sine A is 15k by 17k, opposite side by hypotenuse. Adjacent what is cos A? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So 8k by 17k. So k get cancelled. So sine A will be 15 by 17 and secant A will be 17 by 18. So they have asked for secant A or not. No, cos A. So just do it by yourself. If it is cos A, you need to find adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay. Next question. Let's begin with the fifth question. So, given that secant theta is 13 by 12, calculate all other ratios. So, how many ratios are there in the trigonometry? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta, right? So, in all six ratios, they have given one single ratio's value, that is secant theta values. So, remaining five ratios you need to find out, right? So, let us take secant theta is 13 by 12. What is the secant theta formula? Hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse to theta, I'm taking theta in the place of C. You can take it as A also, that is your wish. Okay, so I'm taking it as C as theta. So theta's adjacent side will be 12k, that is, sorry, theta's adjacent side will be BC, and hypotenuse side will be AC. So secant theta formula is hypotenuse by adjacent. So AC by BC is 13 by 12. So let's take AC as 13k, BC as 12k. Use the Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Just substitute the values. If you solve, you will be getting 25k square is AB square. So AB will be, if you take the square root out of it, 5k the whole square, right? Square and root will get cancelled. So 5k is the answer. AB is 5k. So you got all three sides value, right? You need to find out six other ratios. That is, you got 5k as AB, 12k as BC, and 13k as AC. Now all other five ratio means sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite side is 5k and hypotenuse is 13k. And for cos theta, adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 12k, hypotenuse is 13k. So 12 by 13, k get cancelled. Tan theta is theta's opposite side by adjacent side. So 5k by 12k, which is 5 by 12. Cot theta will be just the reciprocal of tan, right? Adjacent by opposite. So 12k by 5 will be 12 by 5. So also find the cosecant theta, you will end up with 13 by 5. Okay, so when they are asking you to find, calculate all ratios. How many ratios are there in trigonometry? 6 ratios. You need to find all 6 ratios. Since secant theta is given, you need to find other 5 ratios. Okay. So sixth question, if angle A and angle B are acute angles. Acute angle is was less than 90 degree. Okay, such that cos A equal to cos B, then show that angle A equal to angle B. So they have given angle A and B are less than 90 degrees. So C will be the right angled triangle, right angled place, right? This is 90 degree. And they have given cos A equal to cos B. You have to show that angle A and angle B are equal angles. Okay. So just take out C is a right angled here, and cos A is equal to cos B they have given, right? Just substitute the values, like just use the formula. What is cos formula? I am taking cos A, right? They have given cos A, so A is the theta. To cos A formula will be adjacent by hypotenuse. A's adjacent will be AC, hypotenuse will be AB. So cos A is AC by AB. And cos B, if I take theta here, B's adjacent will be BC, hypotenuse will be AB. So BC by AB. They have given cos A equal to cos B. So just equate these two values. So cos A equal to cos B. What is the value we got? AC by AB equal to BC by AB. AB will get cancelled, right? So we end up with AC equal to BC. That is AC equal to BC. So we know that in previous classes we have read that angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. So angles of AC and BC are equal, right? So angle opposite to equal sides of a triangle. So this is equal sides. Angle opposite to equal sides will be angle B and angle B A. So both are equal, right? So if you get two sides are equal, their angles are also equal. So angle A equal to angle B. So first what we have done, you find the cos A, cos B. Given that cos A equal to cos B, so equate these two values, you will end up with two sides values are equal. If two side values are equal, you can say that their angles are also equal. Let's begin with the seventh question. Given that cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Okay. So cot theta is 7 by 8. You need to find out this value. So to find out this, you need to find the value of sin theta and value of cos theta. Just take the cot theta's formula. Adjacent by opposite, right? Cot theta is adjacent by opposite. So I'm taking theta in C. So adjacent will be 7, adjacent will be BC and opposite will be AB. So I'm writing BC by AB is 7 by 8. Let us take BC equal to 7K, AB equal to 8K, where K is a positive integer. Now how will you find the AC? Using Pythagoras theorem, right? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Just substitute the values and get the AC square. You'll end up with 113 K square. So if you take the root out of it, K square becomes K. It will come out of the root. Root 113 K is the AC value. Okay. You need to find sin theta cos theta, right? Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite side is 8K. Hypotenuse is just now we got root 113K. So 8 by root 113. Cos theta will be adjacent by hypotenuse. So 7 by root 113. So you will got sin theta cos theta value, no? Just now substitute this one in the question. 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. But before substituting it, can you see this is a plus b, a minus b formula? A plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square, right? I'm writing it as 1 square minus sin square, 1 square minus cos square by using the formula. Okay, so this is also a plus b, a minus b. Instead of sine, I am substituting 8 by 113 the whole square. Instead of cos, I am substituting 7 by 113 k 113 the whole square. If I take this, like if I multiply it inside, 8 square is 64, root and square will get cancelled, so 113. 7 square is 49, root and square will get cancelled, 113. Just cross multiply it. 113 minus 64 by 113 and 113 minus 49 by 113. So what is 113 minus 64? That is 49. 113 minus 49 is 64. So can you cancel this and this, right? So this is the uh, like 113 gets cancelled. So remaining will be 49 by 64. Kindly subscribe to our channel to get more videos on important question types of Adi Sharma and previous year question papers. So stay connected to our channel, students. See you next class. Bye bye.